We are now going to look at data dictionaries, and basically data dictionaries are metadata for a database. So if we take a look at the structure of a data dictionary, basically we are outlining the fields that are within the database, and we're outlining the characteristics of those fields under the field name, data type, data format, field size, description, and example. So in this database, we're going to look at driver details for drivers in New South Wales. So our fields might be the license ID, surname, first name, address, phone number, and date of birth. So we'll look at the license ID field first. So if we looked at its data type, well, it's going to possibly be an integer. It'll be a numeric value assigned to each specific driver. The format it could go in would just be number, 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 number. Okay? The field size needs to be known so that we can calculate the size of the database in total, amplifying it by every record that is within that database. So in this case, it's just 6 characters in size. Our description basically details that it is a unique number for all drivers, and an example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's an example of the ID form. We might go now right down to the bottom and look at the date of birth. Okay, basically the date of birth would be a date time, but really I want to illustrate the date format. And with the format characteristic in our data dictionaries, we outline how we want data to be written. So this would be day, day, month, month, year, 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 year. This helps us elude confusion when people use our data dictionary, and so they understand how to enter data into our database. The field size here is obviously 10, okay, if we include the slashes. Okay, a description, driver's date of birth, and example, okay, the 8th of the 5th, 1956. Okay, now we'll fill in all other areas. Basically, if the format's pretty self-explanatory and is just characters side by side, we don't need to fill in the date format area. But basically, all we're doing in a data dictionary is explaining the different fields within our database.